friends, it's Alice here. Today we will build a castle with kinetic sand. It's so exciting. It will be like a real construction site. Wow! But do you know that big, strong trucks are helping people to build all kinds of different buildings? There are so many different kinds of trucks. I'm not familiar with them. Can you help me and teach me what kind of trucks are working on the construction site? I will show you a picture of a truck and you need to get the name and find a pair for it. Can you do it? Great! Look at this truck. It has a huge plate in front. I guess we can push some soil with it or dig and excavate materials like snow, gravel and soil. That's right. It's a bulldozer. Bulldozer. Can you find a pair for it? Great job! You found a pair. Do you recognize this truck? It can get so tall, even taller than a giraffe. I heard it can reach up 265 feet or more if attached to a building. It's almost like a three blue whales. It can move heavy loads. Do you know the name? That's right, it's crane. It's a crane. Yes. Can you find a pair for a crane? Yeah, that's right. You found a pair. Great job. Oh, I see. You know all kinds of trucks. But do you know this one? The constantly spinning drum of this truck helps workers to have concrete as it's ready. Yes, it's a concrete mixer truck. Almost there. We can start building our castle. This cool machine has a big bucket and arms that helps dig up the dirt and other stuff from the ground. It also has a truck that lets it move around on a different kind of soil, like dirt and rocks. It's really good at moving things around and making big holes. What's the name of it? That's right, it's an excavator. And can you find a pair for it? Yes? That's right, you found a pair. Great job! And can you recognize which truck I'm talking about? This big truck has a very big deep bed. It can carry lots of stuff and dump it all at once. Do you know the name? Exactly, it's a dump truck. Dump truck! Wow, what is this? Friends, do you see it? We have a dump truck right here. Wow, it's so cool and colorful. Look, we have kinetic sand inside and it can dump everything all at once. Kinetic sand is so nice to touch. It's so soft. Are you ready to put it on a tray and start building a castle? Great! Look, I have a handle here. I have this handle. And we need to pull it. Okay, but you need to tell me, pull it, pull it. You tell me pull it and I'm gonna pull it. Are you ready? Pull it, pull it. 1, 2, 3. Wow, all the sand is out of the truck. Look at it. Now we can start building our castle. To build our castle, we're gonna need different type of mountain shapes today. Yeah, I'm gonna use today a tower, a yellow tower shape, little red gate shape, and little fence. Wow, so the first thing we're gonna do is a little tower. Yes, little tower. Let's fill our little shape, little yellow shape with the kinetic sand. For this, you need to put sand inside and press it very firmly. Look, very firmly. Put it inside and press it. With your fingers. Wow. So cool to work with kinetic sand. Almost there. Okay, are you ready? Let's try. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look friends, we have a little tower. What color is this tower? It's a pink color. Pink color. Yes, look, it has the stairs. And it has little window here. Nice. Now, next thing we can do a fence. Let's do a little fence. Take the shape of the fence and fill it with sand. Press it very firmly. Wow, almost there. Remove the leftovers. 1, 2, 3. Are you ready? Yes? Then put it on a flat surface and we can push it out. Look! We have a fence. Wow! It's made of bricks. Look how many bricks it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bricks are only on top. Okay, let's try one more. Fill it with sand. And maybe we can do even bigger tower. But let's finish the fence first. Press it very, very, very hard. The more you press it, the nicer shape will be. 1, 2. Oh, wow! We have another fence. It's so nice, friends. We have another fence. Now we can do a gate. Oh, I almost don't have any sand. What can I do? Maybe I can ask the dump truck to bring me more sand. Look, friends, the dump truck brought me more sand. Oh, look, the dump truck brought me more sand. Isn't it awesome? Okay, so let's pull the handle. Pull the handle. Pull. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow! All the sand is right here. And now, thank you, dump truck. Beep, 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 beep. And now we can continue building our castle. Are you ready? Yes? Okay, the next thing we're gonna build is a little gate. Fill the shape with the sand. Press it very, very firmly. Press it, press it, press it. Press it with your fingers. Nice. Good job, guys. I see you're trying. And it's gonna work. I'm sure it's gonna work. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2. Oh, wow, look at the gate. Isn't it beautiful? What color it is? It's a blue color with a green pieces. It's like a marble color. Marble color. Nice. Let's make another tower. What do you think? Put sand inside of the tower. Put sand inside of the tower shape. Very, very firmly. Press it with your fingers. Wow, look at the color. Are you ready? Are you ready to see the result? Yes? Okay, I'm gonna move the tray a little bit and I'm gonna put the second tower right here. Oh, wow, now we have 2 beautiful towers. Look. This tower has also window and stairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 stairs. It has 10 steps. Wow! Great job! What are we gonna do next? Let's make a third tower right here. Okay, fill our shape with the sand. It's a real construction site. Look, we have a dump truck, we have kinetic sand, molding shapes. Great. I like it. It's so much fun to work with sand. But you know that you can work with any sand. You can even play the same with regular sand at the playground. Okay. Almost ready. We filled all the shape. You see, all the shape is filled with sand. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow! Now we have 3 towers. 3 towers. 1, 2, 3. And what else do we have? We have also one piece of the fence, another piece of the fence, and the gate. Oh, look, it's a pink, blue, and green marble color. Nice. Great job, guys. Thank you for helping me today. It was so much fun. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. And we're gonna have more fun. We're gonna have much more fun. And don't forget to like this video. Bye.